explore. uh, no matter where are you from, where are you living, just look around. You will find trees, mountains, lakes, rivers in your environment, in your surrounding. Just explore them, capture them, and share it with others, and explore the nature, the beauty. Look at the view behind me. This is nature. This is nature, bro. Look at the mountains. Look at this. I'm traveling on this track, very difficult track. Due to some cloudy weather, sorry, I can't show you the sunset because of the weather condition. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Also enjoy the nature, explore the nature, and enjoy your life. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone.